Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Scotch Precision Scissors on the market, the Scotch brand Precision Ultra Edge Scissors. Whether you're into crafting, scrapbooking, school projects, or even need reliable scissors for office use, these scissors promise to be a game changer. Right from the start, what stands out about these scissors is their precision. The blades are titanium fused, which means they stay sharp even after more than 100,000 cuts. That's an impressive durability feature that ensures you won't be constantly replacing your scissors every few months. Plus, the blades have a special non-stick coating, so you don't have to worry about sticky residue building up when cutting through adhesives or tape. If any adhesive does cling to the blades, a simple wipe with a damp cloth will restore the clean edge easily. One of the key highlights is the design that caters to both right and left-handed users. The molded handles are thoughtfully crafted to provide comfort no matter which hand you use. This means less hand fatigue, especially if you spend a lot of time cutting. The scissors are 8 inches long, which makes them versatile for a variety of tasks, from detailed paper cutting to fabric work. In fact, many users find them suitable for fabric cutting as well, making them an all-purpose tool in your creative or work arsenal. The package includes a set of 3 scissors, each with a different vibrant color, cobalt, teal, and hibiscus, so you can easily distinguish between them or share with family or coworkers. The materials used are stainless steel and titanium, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust or corrosion. Another thing to note is the lifetime limited warranty offered by Scotch brand, which adds a layer of confidence in the product's quality and your investment. When it comes to practical use, these scissors are perfect for crafting enthusiasts who need precise, clean cuts for scrapbooking or paper crafts. They're also well suited for office environments where quality cutting tools are a must-have for productivity and neatness. The non-stick feature is especially helpful when working with sticky labels or tape, making these scissors highly functional for everyday use. If you pair these scissors with your favorite Scotch brand glue or tape, you'll have a complete crafting toolkit that makes your projects smoother and more enjoyable. To sum up, the Scotch brand Precision Ultra Edge Scissors are built to deliver precision, durability, and comfort. They are versatile enough for crafting, office work, or fabric cutting, and their smart design accommodates both left and right-handed users with ease. Backed by a trusted brand and a lifetime limited warranty, they stand out as a top choice for anyone looking for high-quality scissors. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.